back to my Clubhouse. Today we're doing another box opening. Box. Let's get started. Whoa! It's a Wubble ball. This looks cool. We got the Super Wubble stuffed. Wubble jingles. Ooh, that's cool. And what's this? WUBBLE SLAMMERS. That sounds cool. Let's get these opened. I love these WUBBLE SLAMMERS, and they make all kinds of different noises. Check this out. These things are hilarious. I think it's time for Danny challenge.
Alright, Danny, this is your challenge. You are currently sitting in the middle of a giant ball pit. You have 2 minutes to find the WUBBLE SLAMMERS. Are you ready?
Yep, I got this.
Alright. In 3, 2, 1, go!
They're making fun of me.
A minute and 30 seconds.
All around!
Did I find it?
No, you're in one spot. You haven't moved.
They're making fun of me. I can't find it.
1 minute.
Yeah, okay, I found one.
45 seconds.
I can't find it. Are there any more? Where?
30 seconds.
No. I feel it. I hear it. No.
You gotta move them around so they make
15
noise.
seconds.
It's right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dun dun dun.
Where were they? Oh, what?
Look where the pink one was. Are you serious? Are you serious? Look where the pink one was.
At least I got one. Guys, I had a ball with these, but I think it's time to have more fun upstairs. link is down in the description or go to Target. I had so much fun hanging out with you guys today. If you want to know when I post again, click that bell, subscribe if you're brand new, and smash that like button. 2 fingers in the air. Peace. Talk to you later.